Om Sri Sai Ram, Om Sri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha, Om Sri Matre Namaha. Today I will tell Jupiter remedies. Jupiter remedies are very easy to follow and to succeed in your life. These remedies are essential and simple to follow. First one is wearing yellow cloths is a good remedy for Jupiter. Wearing tilak or saffron on your head, that is kunkuma bottu on your head, is an good remedy. Mainly serving in temples is a good remedy for Jupiter. Donating money or clothes to Brahmins or Orthodox people is a good remedy. Respecting elders and Brahmins is a good remedy for Jupiter. Wearing yellow sapphire is also a best remedy for Jupiter. Mainly fasting on Thursdays is an essential remedy for Jupiter. Chanting Vishnu Sahasranamam and chanting Sri Rudram, performing Rudrabhishekam, especially on Thursdays morning or evening, will give a better benefit and better fortune from Jupiter. I will tell you a most powerful remedy for Jupiter on Thursdays. Eating saltless, fasting on saltless is a good remedy for Jupiter. If you want to take food, you should take food with saltless. Mainly, especially on Thursdays, is a good remedy for Jupiter. And following and devoting to gurus wherever you like, that is whoever you like, that is Raghavendra Swami, Venkaya Swami, Mittapala Narayana Swami, either or Sai Baba or Veerabrahmendra Swami, anybody you should pray to gurus. Chanting Brahaspati mantras is a good remedy for Jupiter. Helping thread ceremony for Brahmins or priest sons. If your familiar priest son is doing thread ceremony, you should donate money to him for that ceremony. It is a good remedy for Jupiter. Funding and education for a poor people is a good remedy. And giving money to Mercius students and donating books to educational institutions for Mercius students is a good remedy for Jupiter. Donating old age homes, donating money to old age homes is also a good remedy for Jupiter. By doing these all remedies, these are all the simple remedies in your common life. By doing these remedies, we will get good fortune, good luck in your life. Without any expectation, Jupiter will give good life and good fortune in your daily life. These are proved remedies. Please do these follows remedies.